In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross-post content between subreddits properly. Cross-posting is a great way to share the same post with different communities on Reddit, without having to rewrite or re-upload everything from scratch. When you do it correctly, you can reach more people who care about the same topic, while still respecting each community's rules and expectations. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, start by finding the post you want to share. This can be a post you made yourself or something interesting you found that you think would be valuable in another subreddit. Make sure the content is appropriate for the other community and follows its rules. Many subreddits have specific guidelines about cross-post, self-promotion, or repeated content, so it's a good idea to quickly review their rules before you move ahead. Once you've identified the right post, click on the post itself to open it. This ensures you're working with the full post view and not just a preview from your feed. When the post page is open, look for the share option. You'll usually find a button or link labeled share beneath the post, near the comments and other actions. Click on the share button. A small menu or pop-up will appear, offering different ways to share the post. From this list, choose the option labeled Crosspost. This is important because sharing a direct link is not the same as cross-posting. Cross-posting keeps the post connected, and it credits the original source, which is the proper way to share within Reddit. After you select cross-post, Reddit will prompt you to choose where you want to share it. This is where you select a community. Start typing the name of the subreddit you have in mind, and then click on it when it appears in the list. Again, be sure this subreddit actually allows the type of content you're sharing, and that a cross-post is welcome there. Once you've selected the community, you can usually adjust the title if needed to better match that subreddit's style. Then confirm and post. And that's it. You've successfully cross-posted your content between subreddits in a